Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a book written by Robert Kiyosaki that explores the fundamental differences between conventional financial mindsets and bold visions that can lead to financial independence. Through vivid and personal narration, Kiyosaki shares the lessons he learned from his two contrasting father figures. His poor dad, his own biological father, and his rich dad, his best friend's father and mentor. The story unfolds in Hawaii, where Kiyosaki grew up in a middle-class home with his poor dad, an educated man with a stable job as a teacher. Despite his education, the family constantly faced financial difficulties and lived on the edge of debt. This conventional financial scenario left a lasting impression on Kiyosaki, who began to question traditional teachings about money and wealth. On the other hand, there was the rich dad, his friend Mike's father. Despite not having a formal education, the rich dad was a successful entrepreneur and savvy investor. Through chance encounters and planned meetings, Kiyosaki had the opportunity to learn from this man, rich in experience and financial wisdom. The most important lesson the rich dad shared with Kiyosaki was the importance of acquiring assets instead of liabilities. Assets are investments that generate income, such as real estate, stocks, and bonds, while liabilities are expenses that consume money, like luxury cars and debts. This distinction became the core of Kiyosaki's financial philosophy. The rich dad also emphasized that financial education is crucial for success in life. He criticized the traditional education system for not teaching people how to handle money and how to make money work for them. According to him, people are educated to become employees and are not taught how to take calculated risks or how to start businesses. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. As Kiyosaki grew up, the contrast between the lessons of the poor dad and the rich dad became increasingly evident. While his poor dad urged him to get a secure job and save money, the rich dad encouraged him to invest and acquire assets that generated passive income. These lessons shaped Kiyosaki's entrepreneurial mindset. The book delves into how Kiyosaki applied the lessons from the rich dad in his life. He began investing in real estate and other income-generating assets, gradually freeing himself from the chains of debt and financial worry. His focus shifted from working for money to making money work for him. Kiyosaki also highlights the importance of taking calculated risks and how overcoming the fear of failure is crucial for financial success. Through personal anecdotes and investment examples, he illustrates how financial education can lead to lucrative opportunities. One of the key points that Kiyosaki underscores is the importance of developing entrepreneurial skills. He advocates for business creation and intelligent investment as paths to financial independence. His emphasis on real financial education, the development of investment skills, and the acquisition of essential assets resonates throughout the book. At the core of the message of Rich Dad, Poor Dad is the idea that financial independence is not just a matter of how much you earn, but of how you manage and grow your money. Kiyosaki encourages readers to be proactive, to educate themselves financially, and to transcend traditional beliefs about money. The book concludes with a powerful reminder that every financial choice we make has an impact on our future. Kiyosaki urges readers to take control of their financial education and to seek economic independence through informed decision-making and strategic investment. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is not just a book about finances. It's a manual for changing the mindset and approach to money and wealth. Through his personal stories, practical advice, and insightful analysis, Robert Kiyosaki guides readers on a journey of financial self-discovery that can lead to debt liberation, wealth creation, and the pursuit of financial independence. Ultimately, the book offers a fresh and valuable perspective on how to navigate the world of personal finances and achieve lasting financial success. Thank you for watching. See you next time and follow me for more videos about business, investments, and finance.